Hey, this is Vince with Master Remodelers. I'm going to be talking about basements today. We get a lot of calls from people wanting to finish out their basements. One of the first things we ask them is, what about your plumbing? Is the plumbing roughed in? What kind of condition is it in? Sometimes the answer is yes, the plumbing is roughed in. Sometimes the answer is no, it is not. So you can see behind me where the plumbing comes into the home and then quickly disappears up into the ceiling. And we're talking about the supply side of the plumbing right now. If you're going to be finishing out your basement to a bathroom, like this one right here, we're going to be wanting to look at how to get plumbing supply to the various bathroom fixtures. Like you can see where the water comes through the wall right here, and then for the shower over here, where the shower valve comes through the wall. And that plumbing started out in the utility room behind us, and then came into the ceiling and made its journey to those two fixtures. But over here for the kitchen, how did that plumbing get all the way across the basement to the kitchen? Well, that involves some concrete cutting. So concrete had to be cut in a trench from the utility room, which is over behind me through that door, all the way across the basement to this kitchen sink here, and then also to the laundry room behind me. It's a very messy process, a very loud process, and can be quite expensive. So when your contractor is talking to you about the plumbing supply, both for the supply side and the drain side, when you are considering building out your basement, that's why they want to know exactly how far the concrete is going to have to be cut, and if it can be done, if there's enough fall in the drain line for it to drain properly, or if we'll have to look at putting a pump in. So that's just one thing to consider when you are looking at building out your basement. That's Vince with Master Remodelers.